Hi students. Many times students ask me, sir, why do you take only one batch in a year? The reason is I say that I have to concentrate on every word of every section. We can't cut corners if we want to crack judiciary. I started my batch on the 29th of July, both in the offline and online mode. In offline, all our seats are full. A lot of students are coming. They still come to the offline center and they ask for seats, but unfortunately, since in the offline mode we have limited seats, so many students had to go back. However, the good news is that all those students who could not get access to my offline mode can take admission in the online mode. All my classes are live because it's a hybrid mode. So all my classes will be available to the online students live. Plus, of course, the recordings are also available as per your subscriptions. So all those students who could not get admission in the offline course on 29 July, you're welcome to attend the online course of mine. It is called the comprehensive course. So please join the comprehensive course on Unacademy so that you can cover up all the syllabus, because we cover about 35 laws in the entire year. We take about 13 months, 7 days a week. So come and join this bandwagon of success. Come and join the online course of comprehensive batch on Unacademy. God bless you all.